I'm Spencer Compton. I am a co-founder of Group K. I'm from Massillon, Ohio, and I am majoring in computer science and engineering.
Are you bored at home looking for a new fun game to play? Try Blackjack on the computer. It's fun and easy to play. It's been around for thousands of years and is one of the world's renowned games. You're dealt 2 cards in order to try to get 21. You can hit or stand in order to achieve 21. Hitting adds a card. Standing keeps you 2 cards where you are. The dealer is also dealt 2 cards in an attempt to beat your score or achieve 21. In this game, you'll be able to bet on your hand, adding money to your value in order to achieve the highest value you can get.
Here is our demonstration of our game Blackjack. So the first thing you want to do is put in your name. My name is Spencer Compton. You have $10 to bet with. You can put in any whole dollar amount. So for this example, I'll use $3. It'll give you your hand and the dealer's hand. So I got a 9 of spades and a 9 of diamonds. He got a 7 of clubs. So in this instance, I can either hit, stand, or quit. I will stand. And I stood. The dealer had 7 of clubs and Jack of diamonds. Since I had 18 and he had 17, I won. It'll ask you after that if you want to play again, yes or no. I'll say no. It'll say thanks for playing. You played 1 game and you finished with $13. You can keep doing this over and over again for as many times as you'd like until you either run out of money or just get tired of playing the game. This is our Blackjack game. Thanks for watching.
What do you usually do in your free time? Do you spend hours aimlessly browsing the internet or spend hours trying to play your favorite games? We're here to solve one of those problems, turning one of your favorite games into a quick, more exciting, fun-to-play game.
Hi, I'm Sean Cross. I am a freshman material science engineer here at Ohio State University. I'm originally from North Homestead, Ohio, and I'm a co-founder of Team K Engineering.
Hi, my name is Charlie Stafford. I am a biomedical engineering major here at The Ohio State University. I am from Youngstown, Ohio, and I'm a co-founder of Team K Engineering. Here at Team K Engineering, we've created an online video game version of the popular board game Monopoly. Just like the original game, you can play with multiple people, move game pieces by rolling virtual dice, and buy properties. It includes all of the original game spaces that can be covered with houses. This game also includes some new features that differ from the original game. Instead of collecting $200 when a player passes go, each player starts with a set amount. Also, instead of having community chest cards and chance cards, community chest spaces give each player a reward, and chance spaces give each player a fine.
When you start the game of Monopoly, your board will load up like this. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have your current player money values, you have your dice rolling, and then you can restart the game. So, player 1 is blue, player 2 is red, player 3 is green. So the game will start when player 1 hits roll. Player 1 rolled a 5 and a 6, which is an 11, placing them at St. Charles, and then they'll be prompted if they'd like to buy the property, which will subtract the money from their current value, or they can say no and not buy the property. For the sake of the demonstration, they'll buy the property. The next player going is going to be red, who's going to roll. And they landed on a chance, so a random amount of money has been subtracted from their balance. And then the last player, player 3, will roll. He landed on Connecticut, prompted to buy Connecticut. He bought Connecticut. And then it shows up that player 1 owns St. Charles, player 3 owns Connecticut Avenue. And this will keep repeating until the game is over. Again, for the sake of the demonstration, we jumped ahead, and we've been prompted to buy a house. So we're going to hit yes. And then player 3 has just purchased a house on Connecticut Avenue. And to ease with the simplicity of this game, rent is automatically subtracted from the player's value if they land on someone else's property, and is automatically added to whoever owned the property, and houses will increase the rent costs.
So a question you might be asking yourself is why play our Monopoly over the trusted original Monopoly? Well, to start things off, our Monopoly has completely no setup. You just run the program and it's ready to go. All properties are set up, all money is given to the players, all pieces are set on the board. Whereas the original Monopoly, everything has to be set up every time you want to play. Additionally, our Monopoly, everything is automated. Everything from purchases to rents, to luxury taxes, all of that, the computer will do all that. Whereas on the original Monopoly, that all has to be done by a banker in between the players, which significantly lengthens the game. So, talking about game length, an original Monopoly game can last well over 2 hours, whereas our Monopoly game lasts around 20 minutes. This gives players the ability to play multiple times in a duration of time, giving everyone a chance to win.